You can rent out your apartment, your car, your parking spot, or even your clothes. But can you rent out a portion of your hard drive space? That's the promise of Filecoin, the blockchain providing a decentralized alternative to cloud storage services. Most of the internet's data, including our backed-up files in cloud storage, lives in massive data centers owned by a few large companies. Filecoin was created in 2020 to change this by providing an open marketplace where anyone can rent out their unused storage space. Instead of trusting a single corporation, the network uses distributed storage with no one having full control over the network. However, this wasn't just an idea, but rather a project that underwent 3 years of development before it was launched. This prolonged development paid out in the first year, as Filecoin reached an all-time high of over $230 in 2021, with a market cap exceeding $12 billion. But what makes Filecoin different from traditional cloud storage? While cloud service providers decide the cost, Filecoin storage providers compete, and you choose who stores your data and how much you pay. Cloud storage providers ask you to just trust them. Filecoin doesn't, but instead uses cryptographic proofs to verify that your data is being stored as promised. And storage providers must lock up Filecoin tokens as collateral. If they fail to store your data properly, they lose their collateral. Real-world use cases are already emerging. NFT platforms like NFT.Storage uses Filecoin to store digital art and metadata permanently. Internet Archive, the nonprofit behind the Wayback Machine, uses Filecoin to store over 1 petabyte of data since 2023. Also, some Web3 applications use Filecoin to store user data without relying on centralized servers that can be shut down or censored. But Filecoin faces real challenges. Network storage capacity has grown massively, but actual utilization remains relatively low. In other words, many people are offering storage space, but not as many are using it yet. The technology is also complex. Setting up as a storage provider requires specialized technical knowledge and a significant investment in hardware. That's some believers choose to trade Filecoin instead of participating of the network to capitalize on its movements. Trade Filecoin around the clock on Deriv.